going backwards? Why am I going backwards? No! Oh shit! Oh, I'm spinning! I'm in a loop! Help! Help!
Come here.
I can't! How am I not moving? What? Don't step on my I don't know how to do
We have to push.
it. Oh, here we go!
Push.
Ah!
Come on.
Oh my god, you have my foot!
Push. Push. Come on. You have to go into the current. You have to go into the current. Julia.
Oh my god! Holy shit, if these mics work after this? Oh.
Chad, if these mics work after this, I'll be
Ah!
Ow!
Holy shit, our
Brother.
It's,
I guess it's sure now.
oh. Get down. Oh my god, I thought I was in trouble. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Yo, I think I got your foot or something. It was like some taekwondo stuff. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Chad, this is intense.
Oh shit, we gotta go again. Let's go, Arthur.
Push. Push.
Am I the only one? You have to raise your ass up.
I have to raise my ass.
Do you not raise your ass up? It's like a booty cheek. Like bounce off of the...
They keep me afloat anyways.
Is this like your booty cheek?
Oh, this smells like swamp water.
Why do I not know how to go? Oh, this is the end.
No. Are we getting up here? Wait. This was fun. Bro, my ear. Hooray. Very nice. Oh wait, Chad, the end smells a little bit swampy, I'm not gonna lie.
The what?
The end smells like a little bit swampy. I have water in my ear.
I think water is fresh water.
It's what?
I think it's like nature
Lake?
water.
Yeah, I think so too.
Actually, no, it's not. It has chlorine in it.
Well, not the end. Bro. Oh, I think it's the lake that we're smelling. Look. Oh my god, that was so intense. I got like whiplash. I'm not even joking, I have literal whiplash.